Previously, we've talked to you about warts. What is a plantar wart? The wart on the bottom of the foot. If you've looked at that, you know that they're caused by a virus. The virus is in the skin. It's not throughout your system, pretty localized where the warts are, but it is contagious and should be treated. In the past, the methods for treatment have included freezing, burning, electrical treatment, lasers, and in all of those methods, we're attempting to destroy the wart and actually cause quite an inflammation. Chemicals cause very strong inflammation. Over-the-counter treatments don't tend to work because it's not strong enough, and the stronger treatments can cause pain, and it can take multiple treatments. And the success rate is not where we would like it. What's new about treating warts? We'd like to get rid of your warts much more swiftly. So along has come Swift. It's a microwave machine. No, you can't go stick your foot in your microwave at home. But this does use microwave energy. It's applied to the wart, and there is a little bit of heat. And very brief treatment, just 2 seconds, 5 times to each wart, produces 85% success, resolution, elimination of the wart after 3 treatments. Each treatment is done 1 month apart. While there's a little discomfort during the treatment, there's no discomfort afterwards. And most importantly, there's no destruction of the wart. So how does it work? Well, previously we've talked about treating warts in a destructive way, but in this way, the virus that's hidden from your body's own immune system is revealed. The microwave changes the environment there. Your body then recognizes the virus and it does the work for you. So between 1 and 3 treatments, we can help you eliminate warts much more painlessly, so you're not walking around with a painful foot after treatment, and have great success in not having these warts come back. One of the most important things about this, and the difference from other treatments, is that with other methods of treatment, the recurrence rate can be up to 20%. With Swift microwave treatment, not only is it 85% successful in resolving it after just 3 treatments, but there's less than a 1% chance of recurrence of your wart. So if you have plantar warts, come in today. Let's get rid of it swiftly.